Hi everyone, so today I'll be discussing the menstrual cycle and the hormones that affect it. Also for my presentation, all figures will be under the assumption that pregnancy did not occur. The ovarian cycle follows the progression of an immature egg to the egg being released and ends with the follicle becoming a corpus luteum. The corpus luteum secretes the hormone progesterone, affecting the uterine cycle. If an egg isn't implanted, the corpus luteum degenerates into the corpus albicans. The two major hormones of the ovarian cycle are the follicle-stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, stimulates the maturation of follicles in the ovaries before ovulation. Luteinizing hormone, LH, causes the egg to be released and starts ovulation. The follicular phase begins with menstruation and ends with ovulation. During this phase, FSH levels are high to promote the growth of the follicle so the egg can mature. During this phase, estrogen continues to rise in preparation for the egg to be released. During ovulation, the egg sheds the follicle and FSH decreases. At this point, LH drastically increases during ovulation and then steadily decreases in the luteal phase. The follicle becomes the corpus luteum, which triggers the release of progesterone in order to create a better environment for fertilization. The uterine cycle begins with menstruation, the shedding of the lining of the uterus, and leads to the thickening of the endometrium until the lining is secreted again. The endometrium becomes thicker in order to make it easier for implantation of the egg. The main hormones of the uterine cycle are estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen stimulates the thickness of the uterine wall, and progesterone stimulates the endometrium to become more vascular to make it easier for the egg to attach to the endometrium. Both hormones inhibit the anterior pituitary gland from secreting FSH and LH. Both these cycles work together so the egg can develop and attach to the endometrium. During the follicular phase, follicular cells secrete estrogen, which thickens the endometrium. After ovulation, the corpus luteum secretes progesterone. When the corpus luteum dissolves, both estrogen and progesterone drastically decrease, and the anterior pituitary gland begins to secrete LH and FSH again, starting the cycle over. Thank you everyone for watching.